We are learning the lesson compound interest, and today we will learn how to find compound interest for 1 year 3 months on rupees 6,000. So this 6,000 is the principal, lent at 8% per annum, reckoned annually, taking the interest annually. So when we take interest annually, time is taken as 1 year. The first thing we have to do is we have to find interest for first year, where the principal is given as in the question as rupees 6,000. Time is 1 year. Okay, remember that we have to take time each year at a time. So time is taken as 1 year and rate is 8%. So interest, the formula to find interest is principal into time into rate by 100. So we're just replacing the values. Principal is 6,000 into 1 into 8 divided by 100. And when we calculate this, when we simplify it further, we will get the answer as, I hope you know how to cancel this or divide it. So the answer that we will be getting is rupees 480, 480, rupees 480. So 480 rupees is the interest for first year. The next step is to find amount at the end of the first year. And how do we find amount? The formula is principal plus interest. The initial principal is rupees 6,000. Okay, so that is the principal amount, rupees 6,000 plus interest. Interest for the first year is 480, and when we add these two, principal plus interest, we will get the amount at the end of first year as rupees 6,480, 6480. Right, so this is the amount that we have found at the end of first year. What is the next we have to find? The question said we have to find for 1 year 3 months, right? So the next step is to find the interest for the next 3 months. Now how are we going to calculate the interest for next 3 months? Next 3 months would mean 1 by 4. Now how did we get 1 by 4? I would just like to explain it to you. 3 months out of 12 months, right? 12 months make 1 year. So 3 out of 12. When you simplify it further, when you cancel it, okay, 3 months by 12 months. We just divide this 3 months by the whole year, that is 12 months. And when you simplify it further, we get it as 1 by 4. So that is how we have written 3 months in the form of fraction 1 by 4. I hope you have understood this. So interest for the next 3 months. Principal, how much was the principal? You remember that the principal of the next session will be the amount that was in the previous session. So the amount at the end of first year becomes the principal for this rest part. Right, so principal we have taken it as 6,480. Time is taken as 1 by 4. Let us just replace the values in the formula of interest. Principal into time into rate divided by 100. Principal is 6,480 into, we will write time as 1 by 4. 1 can be written on the numerator and 4 is written in the denominator. We will get the fraction as 12,960 divided by 100. And when you simplify it further, you will get the answer as rupees 129 and 60 paise. So when you divide 12960 by 100, you get it as 129.60, which is 129 rupees 60 paise. Now we have to calculate the amount, and you know the formula of amount is principal plus interest, and the principal here is 6,480 plus the interest for 3 months, right? We have found it as rupees 129 and 60 paise. So when we add this up, 6,609 and 60 paise, 6609.60. So this is the amount that we have found at the end of 1 year and 3 months, right? The formula to find compound interest is equal to, the formula to find compound interest is amount minus principal. So the amount that we have found at the end of 1 year and 3 months is 6,609.60 or rupees 6,609 and 60 paise minus the initial principal, the actual principal. So the actual principal that we had in the question was rupees 6,609.60 or rupees 609 and 60 paise. Okay, so this is the compound interest for 1 year 3 months as given in the question. So I hope you have understood how to find this. You can again go back and solve. Practice and keep practicing. There is a homework that I have given you. Okay, do this homework by yourself. You have to find the compound interest for 1 year 4 months on rupees 4,500 lent at 6% per annum, reckoned annually.